Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make Italian dressing. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 3/4 cups of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon or 2 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and dried oregano, and optionally 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. You're not going to see me use measuring cups because I'm going to cheat a little bit. I have a bottle that has pre-marked measuring lines for 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons, and 3/4 cups for the oil. So I'm going to start by filling this to the vinegar line with the white vinegar. Then to the water line, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then I'll fill it up to the oil line with olive oil. After adding my liquid ingredients, I'll go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of dried red pepper flakes, which is optional, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Once I've added all the ingredients, I'm just going to cap off my dressing bottle and shake it well to combine. And there you have it, Italian dressing. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.